Hi guys, welcome back to Unbox Daisy. Today we are gonna unbox MI TV stick. It has Google Assistant, FHD Plus display, and it supports many apps like YouTube, Netflix, Prime Video and all. Here we are given 3 steps to connect it and use it. It has 64-bit quad-core CPU, DTS, Chromecast built-in and Google Assistant. If you see the MRP of it, it is 3499, but you can get it at 2799 in Flipkart. Here we have given what's inside the box. Let's unbox it now. There's something here. There are what's inside the box in this paper and a 5-step installation guide. By this installation guide you can connect it to your TV. EVGO actual MI TV stick. This should be connected to your TV in HDMI port. This is adapter. And a USB cable. And a smart remote. It has power button, Google Assistant and controls, and a Netflix button, Prime Video button and volume controls. In this we have not provided batteries, you need to buy it. Let's keep it aside. These are the things we have in the box. This is the adapter, a 5-watt adapter, remote, a USB cable and a MI stick. Some TVs won't have space backside, so you need to have an extender, which we are not provided in this box. I have bought it outside. You can get it outside. I have connected to the TV now and it's starting. Android. You can see how it is. You're getting apps here: Netflix, Prime, Cast, YouTube, Disney Hotstar, Play Store and all. These are the apps. You can get all apps here. Let's open Play Store. In this Play Store you have many apps. It's like your Android mobile. It have all apps. My TV stick comes with Android 9.0, which is better than other TV streaming sticks. Let's play YouTube. Let's play one video and check the quality.
thoughts, but what I feel was that he's got the optimal gets the starts, but managed to build some partnerships. Look, I don't know the exact thought.
You can see subtitles here.
But what I feel was that he's got a huge amount of talent, and perhaps throughout the season had
The quality is in 1080p HD. You can see
a
the
lot
quality of
really
it.
good opportunity. And every
It's
time we
not
watch him play, and particularly in the bench, you can
better.
see how well he hits the ball, and he showed that again tonight, where hit some beautiful shots, and he's a
Maybe
really
because of the
exciting.
Wi-Fi, but it's usually good.